SHOUTOUT.
SJ.
SHOUTOut.
Alright. Hey,
SHOUTOut.
what's up with it, man?
Do it.
Hey, Jesse Lyra, tell him.
SHOUTOut.
Online production.
SJ de Marco. Let's go. Se pasa Uwe, man. Siba Louie, hey. Siba Louie, hey. Siba Louie, hey. Siba, ay. Mga yele bo kele foi le fui. Taula bai lima mame sui. Awag fa love, vai malima abe. Papu pusa le kingi abang ale foi wakale. Mga yele bo kele foi le fui. Taula bai lima mame sui. Awag fa love, vai malima abe. Papu pusa le kingi abang ale foi wakale.
Just fresh. Turn around. This guy's such a fresh look.
Mama who's thinking gonna fuck on.
Shake that booty, mommy. Shake it. Shake that booty, mommy. Shake it.
Okay, TNS family.
In Samoa, got Aussie dollars in this beer.
Okay, so I think someone is picking us up. I don't know if she is picking us up. See? This boy sat next to him. And his dad. Sorry for squishing you. Shout out to, what's your name? Claudia. That's question. Okay, so we're just waiting to disembark.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may now disembark using the door at one left.
Shout out to this girl. What's your name?
Merry Christmas and welcome to Samoa.
Okay, we just arrived. I'm going to quickly do this before I get in trouble and have to delete this. Welcome to Samoa!
Shake that booty, mommy. Shake it. Alright. Musika festival, so fifi ya wanga musika festival, so fifi ya wanga musika
Oh damn, straight up.
Hey family, we're here. And so we're going to see if we can exchange our money and then we'll head back to the hotel. We're actually looking for Lavon. She's the one that's meant to be picking us up. Well, not meant to be. I told her not to pick us up because it's too late. But we'll just stick around and see if she did come because we don't want to waste the petrol. Girl, we got you. Like this video for Lavon's petrol. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is come and get a SIM card. And so we're here at DigiSouth. I don't know where Gon is. I don't know guys. Maybe she's not coming. But let's go inside and get a SIM for me and my husband. It's 15 gigabytes.
Share the family.
15 gigabytes.
Oh, bro, that's good. 50 to love. Who's this local girl? Oh, snap.
Hey, you look tan as. Yeah.
Oh,
guys, she picked us up. She looking like a local. She needs a man and she coming in her. Yeah. What the hell?
who else we found? Mr. November.
November in the house. So if you're wondering who November is Lavon's dad. Talofa and welcome to Samoa. Shoo!
Merry Christmas. Welcome to Samoa. Love from DigiSouth.
So we've just arrived at Millennia Hotel. Sarah and Tuxx are going to check in. It's currently 1:20 in the morning in Samoa. What's the weather like?
The weather is a little bit wet at the moment, but it stopped raining a while ago. As you can see, we are live from TV3 in Samoa. So Merry Christmas to you all.
Okay family, so we are here at McDonald's. This is Samoa Macca's. Samoa Macca's, guys. Now I'm zooming in specifically because I want you to understand how expensive it is over here for a meal. For a meal, fams. $20 for a McChicken meal. Honey, give it a bite. Give the chicken a bite. First and last time. Bye. What's up, TNS family? We just got to Frankie Mall where we found Faku and Auntie Lafu. How was your first few nights? Well,
been awesome. This morning we got up and we went for a walk up Mount Vaya and saw.
You went for a walk?
Yeah. And we saw his tomb up there this morning. So,
oh, that's so cool.
Man, I was cellular. Yeah, so.
Okay, so we met up with Faku and his parents because we're here to get some ulaloles as well as some other stuff for Tuxx Safai, and then we'll be off somewhere else.
Oh, last
Okay, so our total came to, honey, how much did it come to? I guess 220.
221.
You see this, fam? You see how expensive Samoa is? Okay, fam, so we just got to a beer market. Surprisingly, their things are open. Usually, they said that nothing was going to be open today, but open. Surprise. Hello. We're just browsing at the moment. TNS family! And my camera's on to get you. Shout out to the family. Say your names.
Chanel.
Chanel, yes!
How are you? Good to see you too. Oh, good timing.
I know. Okay, fam, so I'm just like walking here randomly. Bumped into the TNS family while we were here. Shout out to the family over here out in Samoa. Hopefully we see them again or we meet up.
Oh yeah.
Go for lunch. Go out.
Tanoa, welcome to Samoa. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Okay, fam, so we came back to Tadu's uncle's house. It's like in Vaikele. Is this Vaikele? Fakoia. And now we're having lunch. Ready? Go. Talofa, welcome to Samoa. Choo. Okay, ready? Ready, set, go.
Talofa Samoa, welcome.
Welcome to Samoa. Choo.
Talofa Samoa, welcome. Choo.
So we're here at where are we? Tanoa, and look who we found. We found our parents. How have you been loving Samoa?
Oh, beautiful. I'm loving
it. You can tell he's black. Mama, how have you been liking it?
Awesome! The best!
Yeah, so we've just finished up with Taru's auntie at their house in Vaikele, and then we've come to go to dinner at Tanoa. Yes! Christmas tree. Only in Samoa they'll have a Christmas tree in the middle.
So we're gonna have dinner because it's Mom's birthday as well. So yeah.
Right now we made it on a really good day because it is the Fiafiaga night here at Tanoa. So if you're ever in Samoa, they have Fiafiaga night every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. So if you're in Samoa and you want a Fiafiaga night, come down to Tanoa on a Wednesday night, but make sure you pre-book. We were so lucky that someone cancelled.
God bless you wherever you are. And also while you're here, you can have a buffet instead of having like one meal. You can have as many meals as you want. So yeah.
So let's get into this. I hope he's excited and I hope he can hear me.
Boys and girls of Tanoa to Tutala. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your dinner tonight. We've got the show for you.
So that's the intro. before we go, don't forget to like, comment,
share and subscribe. That's it.